Good morning, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Heartron Skill Center near Fountain Chowk, Yamuna. Our center code is 034. I am Ankit Sharma. Students, today we are discussing a very new topic which is in your syllabus and which is very innovative and currently using technology, which is cyber security. As we have been using many resources, many technologies, and many gadgets nowadays, so there is lot much problems which comes like threatening of data or information, which is also known as cybercrime. So cybercrime usually possesses, or what it do is threats that organization or particular individual, or targets any kind of system, organizations, any gadgets, any technology. It targets the system and it takes your data or information without any physical existence. There is no physical existence in cyber security. There is lot much difference between a cyber security and cyber crime. Cyber crime is working or threatening of data or information, and cyber security is protection of that threats from organizations or individuals. So let's discuss, as we discussed, that what is cybercrime. So I'll give you that definition of cybercrime first. Cybercrime, it usually possesses threats to organization, individuals. It might harm any kind of organizations, as we have discussed that organizations. What are organizations? There are where there is lot much data and information, and individual means your personal computer, your mobile phones, your IDs, your social media platform. Anything can be hacked or threat easily. With the help of cybercrime, there is no physical existence. There will be no person, nothing. Only through the help of this internet or any kind of data information can be threatened. Okay, any kind of organizations, individuals, and other institutions, without providing any physical existence. So there is no physical existence. Particularly, it targets the systems with the help of internet or any kind of Wi-Fi connectivities or wireless connections or wired connections. So there is no physical existence to target the system or organizations. So if there is cyber crime, that is why cyber security is being made. So before discussing cyber crime in a detailed version, we should firstly describe what is cyber security. So cyber crime, as I have told, that it possesses threats to organizations. So we will be discussing now cyber security. Now we have discussed that threats, it possesses threat to organization. So what will be the cyber security? What is cyber security? It's all about reducing threats when people are in process to deal with the technologies or gadgets. When we are using our gadgets or technologies, what cyber security do is reduce threats to organizations or individuals or any institutions. It helps to protect your data or information. So what is cyber security? It is all it about reducing threats when people are in process to deal with technology where it encompasses full range of protection against any online risk or vulnerability which comprises of information security, assurance. So cyber security gives us information security assurance. That means your data is protected. It gives a full range of protection. And cyber law enforcement. So what it do is it is all about reducing threats when people are in process to deal with technology. When any kind of person or any organization or any individual or any institute is working or dealing with its technology, what it gives it gives full range of protections against any online risks or hacking or threatening of data or information, misuse of your informations. It gives protection, full range of protection at online risks where comes from Wi-Fi, or you can cyber crime can be done with like wireless connections. Even downloading a file also can create cyber crime. Okay, any kind of threats can be produced. So it comprises of information security insurance. It gives us information security. Your data informations and organizations helps in getting safe informations, and it also gives cyber law enforcement. In other words, cybersecurity is the protection of cyberspace. Cyberspace includes hardware, software, networks, and their servers. It gives protection to these things like hardware, software, networks, and their servers, peripheral devices, data, and informations. What it do is it protects the cyberspace. What comes in cyberspace? Hardware, software, networks, and their servers, peripheral devices, data, and information. So what it gives protection to these things like hardware. It gives protection to hardware. It gives protection to the software, networks, and the servers, peripheral devices, data, and information. All other servers are used in this cyber security. Now there is internet connection systems from both internal as well as external threats of cyber criminals. They can be used by internal accessing the internet or can be working on external threats. Like internal comes in software, network, and the servers, and external comes with hardwares, peripheral devices. Okay, now it comprises of sub branches. What are sub branches of security measures? What security does cyber security gives? So the first one will be network security. The very most important security is network security. Most of the cyber crimes or the criminals get access from networks. So network security is the very first important security which cyber security gives. Another one is system security. As cyber crime is being done on any kind of system, so firstly it gives security on networks. After that it gives security on system. Next comes application security. After coming into systems, it directly affects your applications. So laterally it gives security to applications. The very first one is network, through which threats come. After that, coming to the next one is system security. After coming the threat from networks, it will be coming into the system. After coming from system, it will be coming into the applications. So it provides the first one network, then system, then application. Then what it do is get your information. So we give information security. After that, it directly affects your web, so web security. And the last one is if there is PC or mobile, then mobile security. So there are six type of securities which we have given by cyber security. So first one is network security, to secure, to protect the networks. To protect the systems, we get system security. To protect full range of protection from threats on applications, we get application security. After that, information security. Next one is web security, and the last one is mobile security. Now, why there is demand of cybersecurity? You have seen that your data or information is very much important to you. For this, we used to get secured. You used to put passwords on your phone to save your, to get your safe data and informations. For this, cybersecurity is being made. As cyber crime is a global problem, that's why cybersecurity has been made. So for today, we'll be discussing only this. In next lecture, we will be describing types of cyber attacks and history about the cyber security. Thank you, students.